All right. So basically, I'm gonna share you with a link, and the link, you log in, and once you log in, you will have something like this. Please, don't make any changes here. Okay. Don't make any changes here. So what you're going to work with, you're going to work with the new and products. I get in it. So new, and when you come to the new, you come to products, you add products, and when you want to also to see what is happening there, you use the Dokan that we bought. So when you come to the Dokan, I get in it. So you can have the statistics of the of like all the transactions that have gone on the sites, purchase orders. You'll be able to have a look at all those things. So here the Dokan will run the analysis, and it will give you all that set. It shows that sales for the month, zero, Ghana cities, vendors. It shows you all the products, withdrawals. I get in it. It will show you everything. I get in it. So when you click on maybe products, you'll get to know the product that's available there. But for now, there is no products in here, so you're not going to do anything. Okay, you're not going to do anything here. So basically, what you're going to do is that you come to the new here. The new, if you want to do a post, I'll show you how to go about that one. So you come to the new, then you come to products. I get it. So you click on products. That's where you're going to add a product. So once you are at this page, so here is going to be the product name. So maybe put in search. So we come here, so search, and you just dump the descriptions that you want to have about the products. I get in it. So let me just go to maybe Jumia and open a product, and once I'm at Jumia, I will just have to maybe just go and use one product as a demo. So let me just maybe select this product here, right? So once maybe you have your description, I get in it. So you can maybe copy your description, or maybe if you've typed the description, or it's going to be just one, you have your descriptions over there. So once you come to here, you paste your descriptions here. I get in it. Now you paste it here. After pasting the descriptions there, you don't have to do any other thing. Just scroll down there. So you just scroll down here, and if you want to have that product to have a header, maybe you can put a header, but for now leave that one, leave all these ones. Later you will understand, but for now just leave that one. You just scroll down after the description. You just have to scroll down. I get it. So here to, if the you want to put a banner for that product, you can put a product banner there, but if not, you leave that one too as well. You leave that one as well. Now we come to, this is the most important part of it. I get in it. This is the most important part of it. So here you see we have general, we have inventory, we have shipping, we have linked products, we have attributes, we have advanced accessories, specification, and all those kind of things over there. So now the first thing you're going to do is that what products are you putting it there? I get in it. So is it going to be a virtual product or downloadable product? They are not going to download the products. I get in it. So if maybe you are selling a digital artwork, I get in that, you can download it, fine. So here you say it's virtual products. I get in it. Now you set the price. Maybe the price is maybe 80 Ghana cedis, and maybe you want to run a promo, right? So the promo, it's going for maybe that it's maybe 75, and that one it's going to run from maybe today, and it will end on maybe 30th, right? So this price will only, sales price will be for only this time period. But if you're not going to use a promotion, slash it, you just leave it the 80. You don't have to put into, so it will show 80, then it will cancel, then it will write 70. So when the date expire, I get in it, it means you are not going to see it again. Now once you scroll down, you can put in other descriptions there, but you ignore it. Now once you are done with this part, you come to your inventory. I get in it. Now here you set whether it's in stock or out of stock. I get in it. and sold individually, so you can limit it to one purchase per item, but for here you leave it. I get in it. You leave these aspects. Now you come to link to products. So if you are using upsell or cross sell, you can come and put it here. Maybe you want to put some product from Amazon or any other things that you are want to sell. You put a link in there. I get it. So when they click on it, to take them to whatever that you want to take them to, for them to go and purchase from there. Now you have your attributes, and you can add the attributes to your products based on what attributes you want to add to the product. You add it to it. And now you come to the advanced. Here you can add purchase notes, menu order, and other things. I get in it. So you can add some few things, but when you put it here, it will give you a bit what do you have to put it there, but you can ignore all those things, right? Then you come to that is the accessories. So if there are other accessories, you put it there. If there's none, you leave it. Then you come to the specification. Then you can detail the specification of the products. I get in it. You can put it here. So once you are done, I get in it. Once you are done, you scroll up here, and now we have it here. I get in it. So here we have when you want to publish it, and you have to have a preview. So when you click on publish, it will publish on the site. Now, how then do you add the images, the product images to it? Don't worry. You can put some of the product image here, like in the description. Maybe you want to put in a video, you want to put in there. So you can, if it's a video, you can just insert in a link, and maybe you can put in a YouTube video. Maybe if you want to just to put in some YouTube video link, you can just put it over there. So maybe I just want to put this one there, and I can put my link there, that maybe when you click on, they can watch that particular video. And if maybe I want to put a picture there, with a picture I can also go to that. It's either I go to media, I'll add a media, I'll click on add a media, and with the media I can browse from my computer, and once on my computer I can maybe just select any image at all that I want to maybe put it over there. I get in it. I will just select any image at all. Let me just use this image. There we will delete it. So I will upload the image. It goes to the site, and once it gets to the site, I'll just click on the imports. Now this one, it will show under the products, that is features. Like when you are browsing through, when you go to product descriptions, you can see it there. So here you can put an advert, flyer, whatever it is in there, or some a picture of how it's being used. Maybe you don't want to be typing every day, so you can just maybe design something and put it in the description. I get in it. Now where do we add the images to the products? Like for instance, when you scroll up here, you see that this watch is having an image, and some of them have about 4 or 5 images. How do we add those ones? So to add those ones, all that you have to do is to, you see we have product image here. I get in it. So the product image, you select the product image, then you browse through. If it's not already in here, then you go to upload file, you upload it from your desktop. But if you've already downloaded it here, you come and maybe you look for that product that you want to use. So this is the product, maybe the product image. Then you select the product image. Then it will be here for you to, that's what will show on the product image. I get in it. So this one will show. And if you want to add a gallery to it, I get it. And if you want to add more pictures to it, so when you click on the gallery, it will enable you to add about 4 or 5 pictures. So maybe I want to add this, this, um, to it. So I hold control to select this, and maybe this and this. So this 4 image is going to be the gallery of the products. So I'll add that one to it. And this is the image that will show. You see, when you go to a website, you see that there's one image that is showing, but under it, you're going to have a lot of images under it. That's the gallery. So we will have it that way. And here you add your own category to it. So On categorized, so you can just add a category and you put that maybe this one it's maybe baby's clothes. So you add it to it and you just add a new category to it. So when you post, it will just go under that one. I get it. If you have some tags, you put in some tags. If you have some tags you want to put products, then once you are here, you are good to go. You just go to publish, then you publish it. So once you publish it, it will now show on that it's the the shop or the store. I get it. It will now show there. My internet is a bit slow, but it's still loading. So it's done, right? So it's done, and I can just click on this one and see how the products look like. So I click on the link and you see the products it's showing here, and these are the other images that it came with it, the images that, and as I explained earlier, you see that it was showing 80 series but now 70 series because we added that one to it and the product name. I get in it. And when it comes to the details of the products, so we can have it there, the product details and everything will be there, and the link to it is there. So we provide review and other things. Nobody have purchased it. I get it. So basically, that is how we add the products to it. You come to the new, you come to products, then you add the product, the name, the description, and you scroll down. Now, when you scroll to the down there, you come and add the first one, the price, and the layout how you want it, and you want it to just shipping and all those kind of things. So you put in your shipping details, dimension, and other things. If you want to put in shipping details, you put in there, and all the other ones, as I've explained earlier, there you put those one in there. And once you get to the left hand side, or sorry, the right hand side, here, that is where you can add that it's the product image, the product category, and also the that it's you add the gallery to it. I get it. And once you are done, you publish it. So this becomes the product name. I get it. Now to also to post that it's articles and comment articles and posts, you come to new, then you come to posts, and when you come to posts, you you are going to write, let's say you have your articles already. I get it. So you just put the article name there. I get it. So let me try to see if I can get an article to just publish. After that, I'll delete all of them. Let me see. Maybe for instance, maybe I have this article here. So I will just copy the title and I'll paste the title, right? And now I'm coming to write the full article. So the full article, I'll click here and I'll open where I type the article. So I'll select all the article being typed or all the article, Control C, I copied it, and here I paste the article. So the article will look like this. And once it does look like this, what I'm going to do next is to maybe insert in some pictures. So if I want to insert a picture somewhere here, or I will just click where I want to, I'll click on the plus, then I will say that I want to insert maybe a paragraph or a picture. So I'll select an image. Once I select the image, I'll either upload it or browse through my computer, and then I will select the image I want to use to insert in there. So the image comes in. It's too big, don't worry. you can resize the image by just dragging it to one side of it. Depends on how you want it. So you can just resize the image is lengthwise is big like this. So and I can also set how I want it to be. Maybe I want it to be center right or this way. I can just play with it by setting the image how I want it to be. By clicking here, you select me want it to be at the left right hand side like this, or how you want it, how big you want it, small you want it. You do it that way. Now when you send the image, when you finish and you are posting it, I getting it, that one too, there's a need for you to add an image that when you post it, that image will show, will pop up. So when it comes to the post, you can select the date in which you want to publish it. You can backdate it, that you want the article to maybe go back. So you can just go backdate it so that the article will be backdated on the site if you want it that way. And here too, the same thing. If you come to the that it's the authors, you can put it there, Nana Boateng, you put the author who wrote it over there. Yes, and when you have categories too, so categories too, you select, maybe you can add your own category to it by being news or whatever it is. And now the featured image is that is what shows up when you share on WhatsApp. That pops up with a link. So with that one, you click on it, then that one too. If you have it already on your machine, you select it. If you don't have it, then you upload it. You go to upload file. If you have it, then you select it and you use it. You get me? So it becomes the featured image that when you share it, it will share with it. And with that one too, once you are done, you publish it. You go to publish and you publish it. So that one too, we can view the posts and see how it looks like. It looks like. Now, once you are here, okay, once you are here, please try not to make any changes at the customization. And also once you go to the dashboard where we have that is the this one WP admin side. Once you get to the WP admin side, please try your possible best not to make any changes here, because any changes here will affect the sites. Okay, any changes here, the appearance, any changes you make here will affect the site. You get me? So you come to that. If you want to check for the how do you call it, the product, all the products that you have there, you can click on all products and you will see all the products that you are selling on the site. You'll be able to see all the products. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see all the products that you are it's available there. As it stands now, there are two here, and these ones I'm going to delete them, okay, because I don't want them to show. It's just a dummy thing, so I'll just select all of them. Then I'll come to that is move to bin. Then I'll apply. Then all of them will delete. So the token that we bought. So when you go to the token, there you'll be able to see that it's what you've sold, how much orders, that pending orders and other things. You'll be able to see all those kind of things. Are you getting it? You'll be able to see all those kind of things. If you have any pending order, if you have any, if someone may place an order, you'll be able to see all those kind of things. So if you click on any of them, withdrawals and other things, you'll be able to see if so now there is no selling on the site, so it's everything is 000. Okay, so basically that is it for this side. Okay, so how to add a product to it and how to add a post to it. Yes, so please, I'm begging you, with the other things, if you touch some of them later, you will understand how to maneuver through the front end and see how to work on some of them. But anything that you change or you do will affect the site. Are you getting it? This is the front end part of it. It will affect it. But in order, if you do add a product cannot affect the performance of the site and also post. But any other changes in there will affect the site. Okay. Yes, I've been so busy. I getting it very very tight. So, but I believe that um you managing the shop aspects, it will help the two of us because most of the times I will engage in other things. I don't even get time to sit up beside a computer. I'll be traveling here, teaching and doing all those kind of things. So it's better for you to understand so that you can get to see everything. Okay, you can also open it on your phone. It's you can open it on your phone. So I'm going to share the link with you and everything. If you understand it, you let me know.